Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at an MX-1 from Meta Tactical. It's a kit for a Glock and this will work with 70 different Glocks. I think that's pretty impressive. I had a great time with this at the range. There's a lot going on here, so I want to let you know about it. I also have a discount code for you to save you a little money if you decide to go with this kit. Now, I've reviewed Meta Tactical products before. Here's a Apex for a Glock in flat dark earth and a silver Apex kit for a Smith & Wesson M&P 9 2.0. This will fit just about any Glock. It's easy, it's lightweight. You can get the brace with it. It folds, it opens up. It has AR-like controls where you can charge it with a charger there, even a 4-end that also doubles as a mag carrier. A lot going on here, not a ton of money, easy to shoot, easy to transition. It's just a more precise way of shooting because it has a stabilizer brace. It stabilizes the shot, and that's what I like about it. I can transition quicker, I can shoot more accurate. You get the dot sighted in, which is a new dot, by the way. I want to share that with you as well. Green dot, very much impressed with it, budget priced, and as well as show you how easy it is to get this Glock into and well out of and into this kit. It's so simple. It comes out just like that. Let's head over to the table and I'll show you more about this here kit. All right, here is the MX-1. I already have the Glock installed. Let me go ahead and take this pin out, move this lever backward, push on that button there, and pull out the Glock. It's that simple. Now this is a Glock 19. As I mentioned, it will work with 70 plus Glocks. I'm going to show you how they do that. Now the kit is right here. You could choose a stabilizing brace. This package right here is a little over 300 bucks minus the optic. All right, and I'm going to talk about this Votatu optic because so far I'm impressed. It's a green dot and it really works well. This foregrip is extra. Now I showed you how it holds a mag. Okay, so you can put a spare mag there, but it also has this mag release right there. All right, and this button is where you want to move it on the rail. It essentially loosens it up so you can move it on the rail. There's the flash hider. That is that is metal. The rest of this is polymer. Okay, the rail is metal, and here's the charger. The charger basically fits around here and charges the pistol like that. Pretty crazy. To put you just have to pull up on the brace to move it to the side. And then it doesn't lock in, so you can just throw it open like that. And I can show that with my range footage. But to reinsert the Glock in here, okay, I already showed clear. It's clear, trust me. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert, I'm going to push down on it so it clicks in. Did you hear that? Watch. I wish I saw a video like I'm showing you right now because this was hard. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to push downward that way. Downward, click in, move this. Well, that's supposed to be out. But I move this in like that, lock it in place. It's good to go. The optic is a Votatu PMD 504. It's a pistol optic that also comes with a Picatinny mount, and it's very nice. That's the battery compartment. So it is a side-loading battery compartment. It has easy adjustments. It's aluminum. It's a green dot. It's shake awake. It has a cutout for, well, for a pistol purpose to access the sights. I got a couple of these, and I so far I love it. I think it's great. It offers everything that the higher end, well, more expensive optics offer at a more budget price. So the Firearm Guy 10 will get you 10% off that too. So I'm actually giving you two discount codes. One for the Meta Tactical MX-1, or actually this is still valid for the Apex series and for the optic. Same discount code, the Firearm Guy 10. But that's how easy it is. Now this package is, you're looking at, minus the optic, minus the foregrip, with the brace, $300. All right, and it is so much fun at the range. That part I will guarantee you. Now in the case, it has, well, this is the case. It offers quite a bit. How the heck you open this thing? This is an adapter for the Glock 43, Glock 43X, Glock 48, Glock 26, Glock 27. Okay, these are a couple thumb rests I can put on either side, M-lock, additional rails, and the back piece here, this is what you'll use. You could switch this out, or that piece, for one of those if you put, say, a Glock 26 in there. All right, so that's what makes it so adaptable. But for $300, that's what you're looking at. Tons of fun. I really had a good time. I would choose this over the Apex, honestly. So that's the Meta Tactical MX-1. I really like the kit. I've worked with many kits before. I think this is, my favorite. I like it better than the Meta Tactical Apex series. It's so easy to use, and it's very lightweight, stabilizes. They have many additional accessories that you can get. This is an additional accessory, many others. You can put rails on here. Just a lot you could do with this little kit. It's very lightweight, easy to install the Glock, easy to take it out, no additional tools or anything like that. That's what I find advantageous, and that's why I like the Meta Tactical MX-1. I think you will too. Check it out. Use the discount code, even for the optic. For each, it's the Firearm Guy 10. Save yourself some money. And if you like it, then you'll have some of the similar shooting impressions that I had at the range. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.